I don't know.
And you don't even understand how credit really works. Look at this industry. Do you even pay your credit card bills on time? Why did it reach this high?
I pay my bills on time. It's just that the statement is confusing. It doesn't even show how much interest I incurred. I just wish the system was more detailed, like showing how the bills are calculated and the new total after every statement.
You're an IT student, right? Why don't you create a system that helps you understand credit card statements more easily?
Me? I only know how to pay 60 pesos system, and I'm not that good.
It's fine, I'm helpful. Besides, this program can be done by using functions, loops, conditional statements, and global variables as structures. So don't worry.
Wow! The right lady who knows how to code.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that
E-42 Villanueva Irish Bus.
Going back to Honolulu just
E-16, De La Cruz Prince Axel.
E-13, Paolo Ekin Peterson and Paula.
E-17 De La Rosa Kate Ashley.
E-26, Mayara Alexis Raven T.
E-37, Salvador John Patrick Yu. E-3, Aguila Martin.
Don't just stand there and don't call your friend here.
Guys, I'm here. Don't be scared of me. Please, friendly. In fact, please help me with all this system. Come on, help me too.
What system are you using?
In my will share when the credit card statement. Well, already, just located next to the statement part. Do you want to pay it? I wish.
I'll try, but you still haven't got me, huh? Nowadays, credit cards have become an essential financial tool, offering convenience and flexibility. Yet, many users still find it difficult to understand how their total balances are calculated due to unclear presentations of interest, fees, and outstanding balances.
To address this, we developed a program called CreditGo, which simulates a simple credit card statement. The program provides estimated calculations such as monthly interest, minimum payments, and next month's balance predictions to help users better understand their finances and make more responsible financial decisions.
In developing CreditGo, we use basic program language such as conditional statement, one if-else statement, and one choose statement. For decision making, a bill statement, one do-while loop. For menu repetition and arithmetic operation, for accurate calculation, the program also incorporates 13 certified function and 33 variables which it can process input. Perform calculation and display result in an organized fashion.
Need assessment. To better understand the reward challenge based by credit card users, we conduct interviews with 6 students who actively use credit cards. Through this conversation, we explored their experience managing balance, interpreting credit card statements, and handling internet fee. The insight, we gathered revealed common struggles, including confusion about outstanding balance rental fee, and manually calculating interest and ascertain fee when determining minimum required payments.
Basically, when the program starts, it shows a welcome message for the CreditGo system. Then it asks the user to type in their credit card details like their previous balance, new purchases, interest rate, date fees, and due date. The program saves all the dots so it can use the information for its calculation later. After that, it shows a menu where the user can choose from the available options like computing interest, calculating minimum payment, predicting the next bill, viewing the balance, summary, updating details, or just executing the program.
If the user selects option A, the program displays a header indicating that it will compute the monthly interest and the total amount due. The user is then prompted to enter the current balance and interest rate. After receiving the inputs, the program converts the interest rate from the percentage to decimal form. It calculates the interest by multiplying the balance by the interest rate, then adds the interest to the balance to determine the total amount due. Finally, the program displays the interest calculation and a summary of the total amount the user needs to pay.
If the user selects option B, the program displays a header indicating that it will estimate the minimum payment. The user is then asked to enter the current balance and the minimum payment percentage. The program converts the percentage into a decimal rate and multiplies it by the balance to compute the minimum payment amount. Finally, it displays a summary showing the balance.
If the user selects option C, the program displays a title screen that indicates it will predict the user's next month billing amount. After this, the program asks the user to input the total amount due, the next payment made, if any, and the monthly interest rate. After that, it converts the interest rate into a decimal, subtracts the payment from the total to get the remaining balance, and then adds any new purchases to get the projected balance. From there, it calculates the interest based on that projected amount and finally adds it all together to show what the next billing amount will probably be.
At the end, the program displays a detailed breakdown showing the projected balance, the interest for the next month, and the total projected amount due. This allows the user to clearly understand how the next bill was calculated. If the user picks option B, the program shows a credit card statement summary. It calculates the monthly interest based on the previous balance and the interest rate, adds that to get a subtotal, and then includes any new purchases and late fees to compute the total amount. Once the computation are completed, the program displays the credit card statement on the screen. The statement shows the previous balance, new purchases, monthly interest rate, late payment charge, and the total amount due. It also indicates the due date for the payment. If the user selects option A, the program displays a header for updating credit card details and prompt the user to enter their previous balance, new purchases, interest rate, late fees, and due date, then confirms that the information has been successfully updated.
If the user selects option F, the program immediately exits displaying a thank you message. However, if an invalid option is entered, the program shows an error message and prompts the user to choose again. The menu continues to loop until the user selects option F, at which point the program ends. In summary, the program begins with a welcome screen and prompts the user to enter their credit card details. It then repeatedly displays a menu of options, allowing the user to select an option from A to F until the user chooses option F to terminate the loop and exit the program.
Finally, we're done!
Wow! Don't remember we are finally incorporated into this program. Can you run it and see the output?
This actually has so many benefits to the clientele.
What are the benefits of the clientele? CreditGo provides users with a clear and organized summary of their credit card statements, including balance, purchases, interest, fees, and minimum payments, making complex bills easy to understand. It automatically performs accurate calculation for interest, minimum payments, and project balances, eliminating manual errors and saving time. The program also offers interactive features and balance alerts that help users plan payments, avoid debt, and optimize cash flow through what-if scenarios. With its user-friendly, menu-driven interface, CreditGo promotes financial responsibility by providing simple tools and educating users on outstanding balances, interest, and other fees, making smart credit management accessible to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Where's me? Oh, what's this?
Who's that?